Hi, today we have a NuTone IMA303 Master Station that was sent in by a customer. This one has a code date on it of 1977. It was a really good year for intercoms. Whenever you start on a set, you look for clues because clues help figure out what it is you may or may not need to do and sort of what the history of the set has been. I found an interesting clue on this one. I'm not going to actually tell you what the clue is. I'm going to let you watch the video and then leave your ideas down in the comments down below. So it's hooked up to the bench power supply. We're going to turn it on. Dial lights light up. I don't have any remote speakers connected to it, so it doesn't have anything to do with the sound or the reception or any of that. It has to do with something else. And again, you'll have to figure it out. We have our master station volume control here. We have our 4 intercom buttons here: inside talk listen, door talk listen. Room control switches go behind the door here on the lower left hand corner. And we have our input selector switch, AM, phono, tape, and FM. Our dial lights light up, which means the light bulbs are good. And it's an old school analog tuner, which means that when you turn the knob, it moves the pointer and you tune in your radio stations. Just like that. Very old school. The way everything used to be. Alright, that's enough information for you to figure out how I know someone has worked on this set sometime in the past. Leave it in the comments down below and I'll monitor it and let you know who figures it out first. Give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, all those good things. See you on the next video.